Hello, welcome to Grade 2 Literacy, Term 1, Lesson number 3. We're still on Unit 1 Secrets, and that's what we'll be looking at today. A quick fact here. No English words end with the letter V. Interesting, and bear that in mind when you're spelling words. If you've got something ending with a V, it's wrong. Today's learning will be the spelling test number 2 words will be given out. Then spelling page 10, or, and all words. Then a grammar, nouns and adjectives. Then number 4, complete grammar page 10 work. Then number 5, upload work on Google Classroom. So remember, underline titles, write the date, question numbers down the side of the page, write neat and tidily. Spelling words, write these down and they will be in the test for next lesson. We've moved on from 3-letter words, we've got some 4-letter words now. As I said, they'll slowly get more difficult through the term, started off nice and easy, and then slowly get more difficult. So our words are went, my, they, then, on, of, said, had, is, and got. So pause the video now if you need more time to write them down, and unpause when you're ready for the next page. Spelling, page 10. So we have words with OR, ORE, AW, and AU. So listen to the sound these patterns make. Jimmy saw, so the word saw, or, Libby. He was waiting for her on the corner, k or n. So both sound the same, or and or, but spelt differently. Letters AU and OR can also make the same sound. So all these combinations of letters are making the sound or. Now, copy the word from the word box to match each picture. So down the side in your margin, you will write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and A6. Then you will match the correct word to each of them and write them here. So what you want to do now is pause the video, and when you've done each word, cross it off on the list here. Then when you're ready for the answers, unpause the video so you can check your answers. So we have A1 was fork, A2 jigsaw, A3 storm, A4 paw, A5 torch, and A6 was straw. Okay, so they're all crossed out now. For activity B, 2 words in the box have not been used. So what you want to do is write a sentence using each of these words. Okay, so on your paper, write a sentence using the word more and a sentence using the word August. So pause again now. Try your best to write 2 sentences, one using the word more and one using the word August. Okay. When you unpaused, I will now show you a couple of example sentences. If you were struggling, you can copy these down. So B1, the more I work, the smarter I become. And the second sentence, August is the month after July. So pause again and copy those down if you were struggling to think of a sentence yourself. If you already did the sentences yourself, then great, good job. So, on to grammar. What is grammar? So grammar is a set of rules that tells you how a language works. So every language has its own set of rules. The rules of grammar explain what different kinds of words do and how they work together. So different from just spelling, grammar explains how you're allowed to use the words and how they work together, which then helps for your sentences to make sense and other people to understand them because they know the same rules. Okay, next page. English. The English language is made up of many words. All these words can be written or spoken. Every word in the English language acts as one of these parts of speech when in a sentence. So you can have a noun, a pronoun, a verb, an adverb, an adjective, a preposition, a conjunction, or an interjection. These are all the different types of speech. So all words form into one of these categories. Sometimes, depending on how the word is used, it can be in more than one category. But don't worry about that for now. Those are all the possible categories. Today, we'll be finding out more about nouns and adjectives. So let's have a look at some nouns and adjectives. Nouns. What are they? Let's think. So a noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Nouns are the most commonly occurring type of word in the English language. So that means there are more nouns than every other type of word. Here are some example nouns. Man, beach, and pencil are all nouns. So we have a person, a place, and a thing. Person, place, thing. Adjectives. What are they? Adjectives are words that are used to help describe people, places, and things. So similar to nouns, but this time they are not the actual people, places, and things. They are words that help us to tell you how the people or how the places or how the things are different to similar people, places, or things. So these descriptive words can help give information about size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose, feelings, condition, and personality or texture. So they can tell you a lot of information about a person, a place, or a thing. So before we had a man, now we have a happy man. So if we highlight here, our adjective here is happy, telling us that the man is happy. And we have a beautiful beach instead of just a beach. So the adjective here is beautiful. Then we have a pencil. Now we have an orange pencil. Okay, next page. Close the highlighter. Okay, page 10 grammar. Nouns and adjectives. Let's go through the quick box. So nouns are naming words, such as a snake. Adjectives are describing words. A little snake. A. Find the adjectives in the story that describe number 1, Jimmy's voice. So look back at page 6 and 7. What kind of voice did Jimmy have? So look at page 6 and 7 in your book. What kind of voice did it say that Jimmy had? So in your notebook, make sure you write the title again, page number, and the date. So I suggest you pause now till you've written down what kind of voice Jimmy had. Then unpause when you're ready to see what the answer is. So the answer was low. He spoke in a low voice. Number 2, the snake. So what described the snake? Pause again, then unpause when you're ready to see the answer. 3, 2, 1. Little. Ricky had a little snake in his pocket was the sentence. Then finally, number 3, the secret. So have a look at page 6 and 7 again. What word was used to describe the secret? Pause again. And the answer in 3, 2, 1. The word was big. What's the big secret? Was the sentence in the text. B, look at the picture. So there's a picture here. Write some nouns and adjectives to describe the picture. So nouns are the people, places, or things in the picture. So write down what nouns you can see. Then write some adjectives which describe the people, places, or things in the picture. So try and give that a go yourself. So pause again now. And then I'll give you some ideas of what you could have written in 3, 2, 1. So you could have written fluffy clouds, like the clouds up here. Pretty flowers, like the flowers here. Yellow sun, like the sun up here. Or green trees. You could have also had the fast rabbit, or the slow snail, or the brown fence, or the green grass, or the blue sky. There's so many in there. So hopefully you wrote down a few yourself as well. Okay. So what else do I need to do? So complete all work for today in your notebook. There is a crossword puzzle on Google Classroom relating to some of the learning today. And then take photos of your notebook pages, upload them on Google Classroom, and check for previously marked work. And that's it for today. I've been your teacher, Mr. Darren, and see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.